Let me share a perspective that's taken shape over more than a decade of working with advanced materials and new business models. Most companies today still operate on a linear model. Make, sell, discard. Revenue is earned the moment a product is sold. And after that, it's out of sight, out of mind. But that model is reaching its limit. The world is shifting toward a circular economy, where products are built to stay in use. They're designed for repair, reuse, and upgrade. Materials flow in loops, not in straight lines. And companies generate value not by selling more, but by keeping products in service longer. This shift isn't optional, it's inevitable. And here's the key insight. Most companies won't survive it. Why? Because everything about their structure, from KPIs to supply chains to leadership incentives, is wired for linear growth. For most managers, transitioning to circular means shrinking revenue today to build long-term value tomorrow. And that's a move most will never make. So they delay. They protect the old system. And eventually, they collapse. But not everything dies with them. Often, the brand survives. The product identity, the emotional connection that still holds value. These brands can be rebuilt, not revived as they were, but reborn as circular companies with new metrics, new logic, and new infrastructure. It's like in nature, the old system breaks down and becomes the nutrient base for what comes next. And that's where circular structures comes in. We're not here to rescue outdated models. We're here to build what comes after, a platform for the next generation of circular companies. We start with lightweight components, using natural fiber composites, because here, the potential impact is massive. When you combine the right material with the right business model, you can unlock 10x more efficiency, not just in production, but across the entire lifecycle. But materials alone won't get us there. Circularity is a systems problem, and it needs a systems solution. So we've built a platform that provides tools for design for disassembly, panelized production for speed and scale, embedded lifecycle data for smarter use and reuse, a partner network for repair, upgrade, and recovery. This allows new or transitioning companies to plug in and focus on what they do best, building better products that last. And the timing is right. The market is already shifting with shared vehicles, autonomous systems, subscription hardware. The mindset is there. The infrastructure isn't. That's what we're building. So whether you're an investor, a founder, or a manufacturer, you're standing at a fork in the road. You can keep optimizing for the sticker price or start building for cost per use. You can defend the old system or help shape the new one. We're laying the rails for the circular economy. Now is the time to get on board.